Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and then press the bell icon. Today I just wanted to show you a yummy and healthy dragon fruit juice and salad. Many of us doesn't know how to consume this dragon fruit. So here let us see how we can have this dragon fruit. So let me show you how to cut this dragon fruit first of all. So here I have taken a whole dragon fruit here. Just give a nice cut in a vertically. You see I am going to cut here. How nice yummy juicy this is. So just cut it like this and keep it aside. So for this juice let us take tender coconut here. You see I am going to take tender coconut into this glass of water into this glass. As we know tender coconut is very good to have. So just keep this tender coconut aside. Now let us see how to cut this dragon fruit. So here I have taken only half of the dragon fruit, I am doing it juice and another half I will be doing it for salad. So here I have cut into two parts. Just peel out the skin here. Let me show you how to peel out. You just take out the skin like this. It is so easy to take out. You see how nicely it is coming. Just take it out and put it in a bowl. Now just make this dragon into small pieces. As we know dragon fruit is high in nutrients, loaded with more fiber and it also strengthens our immune system. So this dragon fruit is very healthy to have in this season. So I am going to take another piece also and I am going to cut this also into small pieces. That dragon fruit is almost of tasteless and many of them feel this is not good to have, but this is very good if we consume it either in a liquid or in a salad base. So I am putting all these pieces into this small mixer jar and I am going to add this tender coconut into this jar. I have taken, you see your consistency and you take as per your taste or consistency. Then close with the lid and give a mix. Now here I have taken a serving glass and pour this liquid into this serving glass. Here I have taken 2 to 3 cubes as it is. I mean that dragon fruit cubes, so that I feel to have it directly into my mouth. So here I have taken almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of soaked Faluda seeds. As this is summer and it is very good to health also, I prefer to have this Faluda seeds in almost all of my juices. Then I am going to add almost 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of honey. So once we do this, just keep it aside. Now we will do salad. So for this I have taken a mixing bowl. Into this I have added a cup of dragon fruit pieces and then I am going to, as this is the season of mango, I am going to add a cup of mango pieces, ripe mango pieces which is very juicy and tasty also. Then I am going to add almost some 2 to 3 tablespoon of soaked Faluda seeds here also, as Faluda seeds is very healthy as I say you in previously, and dragon fruit is a very good source of magnesium and vitamin C also. See I am adding almost a tablespoon or 1.5 teaspoon of honey here to give extra sweetness, and dragon fruit promotes healthy and glowing skin also. So this is very good to have. You see here my mango is dominating this dragon fruit, but it was very good. So just mix it and this is ready to serve. So we will take a serving bowl and we will serve it to this. Kids love to have this salad and you can even serve it with banana or pomegranate and whatever fruits you wish to have, you can have with those fruits also. You see this is almost juicy, yummy, tasty. It is very tasty also. You see how nice it is. So this salad is also ready now. So with one dragon fruit I do even juice also and salad also. You see how nice it is. So try all these healthy recipes and keep healthy. Hope so you are enjoying my all of my videos. Keep watching and keep following my channel. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.